Hi crafty friends, it's Audra Monk, the Crafty Yogi, and I'm here in the Crafty Corner today, a lovely Thursday afternoon, and we are going to pop open my paper pumpkin kit. It was in my mailbox probably last night, but I didn't get to check the mail till this morning, so I'm just double checking that. There we go. Alright, so let's open it up and see what we can make. So, okay, what is a paper pumpkin kit? If you don't already subscribe, you gotta know. So, paper pumpkin is good for the avid crafter, it's good for the casual crafter, and it is certainly absolutely wonderful for the beginner crafter. It is a once a month box that comes to your house. Ooh, and see, I've seen some pictures, but there's something about when you see your own, it's very exciting. So, and it's a craft box, and there are stamps, and there are ink, and there are papers and ribbons, and lots of die cuts, and it's kind of a slightly simpler way than getting started on your own. So it's a great way to get started if you want to start making homemade cards and projects and you don't have a lot of supplies. And it's also a great way to accentuate the supplies you have. So for example, this kit this month, it coordinates with 3 different suites in our annual catalog. Oh my gosh, that card is so pretty. I think we'll make that one. And so it coordinates. So you could buy things in the annual catalog to help flesh out your kit. Let's see. We have a nice little stamp set. Let's see if we can see that. It's got a medallion, a seashell, a nice happy birthday, hello friend, you've been on my mind, and you're the best. Okay. When you order the very first time, you'll get an acrylic block. Not like this one. It's a little bit thinner, but you get a free block in there. But you can use blocks that you buy. There's always an ink spot and sometimes 2. Ooh, we got Pretty Peacock ink this time, which is a brand new in color. So I'm going to go ahead and open that because my Pretty Peacock is over in the boxes for tomorrow's class. So there we go. Okay, so I'm in business with ink. They always wrap it in pretty tissue paper to make it look pretty. And okay, so I can get rid of that part. And so it comes in this little package wrapped up nice and neat with the pictures. And this front thing, in case you don't know, sometimes people open it and they're like, where are the directions? And this front part is the directions. And everything is all packaged in there nicely so that it travels well. So welcome everyone who's joining me. I'd love if you give me a hi or let me know where you're from. I think I'm going to do... now, I won't let you know what the project is yet, but if you comment, I'm going to do a drawing, and I'm going to send some kind of fun little alternative project, although we'll see what happens the next 2 days. It might be 2 weeks, because I'm going to be out of town, going to the beach next week. So let me know that you're watching, and maybe I'll send you something little fun in the mail. Okay, so you get this. This has your directions, and it shows you how to stamp, how to lay your elements, how to attach them. So there's different instructions and really cool. So if you take this, sometimes I like to take this one, like I might take this one when I go on vacation, plus a few extra things. There's a ruler across the bottom. It tells you what coordinates, what Stampin' Up! Colors it coordinates with. And in this case, of course, that first paper told us which other products they coordinate with. But you can also, match it up. So let's see. We got some cute little ship's wheels. All these pre-die cut labels to put our words on. Oh, these sequins are so pretty. Look at those sequins. Those are nice. Got a couple little paper clips and we got some twine. I know we're going to need that. What is this? Those are big circles. I wonder what those are for. Oh, my goodness, how fancy. It's to put the ship's wheel. I'm guessing. It's to put the ship's wheels on. Dude, Stampin' Up! Go you. And some little mini dimensionals. Oh my goodness, these paper. Okay, so this paper, we have paper super similar to this in the annual catalog. It's in that woven thread suite. I'm pretty sure, although that's different than the picture. Okay. Oh, maybe they use stuff. And then this is also, this might be in the Garden Lane suite. There's something similar like that. Oh, look at me know my papers. Paper pumpkin kits always come with envelopes, and quite often... Look at that. They're coordinated. They are lined. So they're even fancier than regular envelopes, and you don't have to do it yourself. Let's see, what was the other one? There's got to be one more. Ah, it's nice in stripes. So coordinated envelopes, and there's fun stuff you can do with envelopes too. And then instead of like how normally I create cards with different layers of cardstock, what they do is to save us a step and save us some money, is it's pre-printed cardstock. So one side will be white and one side is printed, whereas our normal papers are not white on the back. We have a design on the back, or the color is all the way through. Okay, we have die cuts here. We have ship and the little clouds, some strips and a circle. So it looks like we make 3 of each card. So this is kind of new that we have, oh, and look how fancy they were. It was like going to a class. Oh my gosh, it's like a class in a box this time. That they put them with what they go with. And then look at these. There are leaves and little bud things, and ooh. Okay, these feel really cool. You can't feel it through the camera, but it is a textured craft card stock. Okay, so shall we make a card? We'll make one. All right, I'm going to use, I'm really drawn to this this one, the Woven Thread Suite. Okay, and then you'll have to look on my site and my Facebook and my blog next week, because tonight after I get off of this, I'm going to create an alternative card and an alternative project. And I'm a big fan of fun little frames using your paper pumpkin things to accentuate them. Okay, so maybe I should actually look at the directions and see what we're going to do. So I want to make this one, which is this one. Okay, you've been on my mind. You know what? I'm even going to use that. I know someone I'm going to send that to. A couple people. So that is really cute. So I need, it looks like I need the bigger one. Okay, so let's give it a go. So I'm just going to make this one just like the set. You could look at the Stampin' Up! Video, but you know what? If you're here, I get to chat you up. So that's slightly more fun. The stamps, if you've not seen polymer stamps, they come in on clear kind of plexi feeling thing, vinyl, I don't know what it is. And you want to peel them off gently so you don't stretch them. You want to save the back because that protects your stamp and keeps them from getting dirty. Oh, I have a block. Okay. So, you stick it on your block. You get it on there. Okay. And when you're using an ink spot, a lot of times, let's see if I can take the cap off. Okay. So what I usually do when I'm doing ink spot is I flip it over and I ink it up. Oh, this is such a pretty, you've been on my mind. You could send this to, you know, your faraway kids. If you got, you know, like I have college kids or kids that have their first job and they've moved away from home. You could send it to your mom. You could send it to your friend. It's a nice little sentiment. And I am such a fan of the print with the cursive. And I like this cursive. It looks kind of drawn, like really drawn with the ink pad. Okay. Now what do I do? All right, now it looks like I take this paper and it's pre-die cut out. So that's the fun thing about a paper pumpkin kit. It's great for travel. If you've got younger kids, I used to bring these, you know, you're sitting at band practice or, you know, your kid has a practice, you got to drop them off somewhere and you need to wait around for them. It's just nice because everything's mostly ready. You don't need your cutter necessarily, although you can use yours. So there's ways to pep it up, but if you need to, you just create it just as it's drawn or you play with the supplies there. Okay, so the way they have this, looks like they put this under, this over. I don't quite get that, but you know, I guess. And then this goes on, and it looks like they put some twine around. Okay, so let's take a look. I think we're going to tweak that just a tiny bit. What if? Yes. All right. So we're going to cut this in half. I'm just going to wing it with my scissors. Okay. We are going to cut that in half and make like little tabs. Yes. And we are going to cut this one in half. So you can change it up a little bit. Okay. And then your kit comes with glue dots. These are way more labor intensive than if you just buy a snail or a box of glue dots, or dimensionals. Now, it always comes with dimensionals. I always use those. But I don't usually use these because they take more time. Although I have brought the kit before and been like, hey, that's all I have. But you can use your snail. So I'm just going to put, I just thought these would look cool as little flags down here. So it's fun to make it the way it's drawn. It's fun to play with it a little bit. It's fun to do something totally different with it. What do you think? Do I put it to the side? You know what? I am going to put it in the middle. Let's see if I can get this off. Good. All right. So, and if you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can go to paperpumpkin.com and you can subscribe there. I don't know, the kits are like $22 a month. The price just recently went up, and I think it's because they've been making them nicer. And of course, shipping costs have gone up. So, and these do come through the post office. So, you know, they raise the price a little bit, but I think it's worth it. I think you'll enjoy the kits. And sometimes we have little nope, I just like two. Sometimes we have little teasers, sometimes we don't. It all depends on the month. So August, that's next month. So how it works, as I stick these little dimensionals on here, is that you sign up for it by the 10th of the month, and you will get that month's kit. So you cannot get July's kit anymore. But you may want to go sign up for August right now, because August has some really cool specials. I think we do need twine. So what the specials are is that we have a kit coming. I'm going a little rogue. I'm not looking at what they wanted the ribbon to do. I am just going to tie this around. Okay, if I can talk and craft. So what August special is that the kit that we're going to get makes tags, and there's little craft bags, little bags, so like little gift bags to put them on. Okay, I can tie and talk. Okay, so but they know a lot of people like to make cards, so they've never done this before. This is totally new. We're going to see how it goes. They made an a add-on kit for $10. Now here's the deal: you have to buy the kit on an order, a regular order, online yourself or through me, through your demonstrator. You have to buy the add-on. So, and it's a card add-on. So if you like these quick card bases that are all printed up for you, what do you think? At the bottom? I think on this side. Then you'll want to get that. And it's really cool. And I'm going to curl the edges. Did you know you can curl your twine? Hold on to it tight and just take your bone folder and give it a little bit of a curl. So yeah, but here's the deal. You can't order, that part starts on August 1. And you cannot order it unless, can I get to my glue dots? I don't know. Okay, I get to use this is one of these glue dots. You can't order that unless you're a subscriber. So you got to go subscribe. And then when you order, we got to make sure you use the same email account to order, and you can get the add-on kit. So that's the interesting thing. They've never done this before. So we're going to see how it goes and see, if we like it. And so sometimes I just like getting some kind of new paper that's not in the catalog. It's super fun. Okay, and then we're going to just nail this on. So anyway, that's what's coming in August, and I'll post it on Facebook so that you guys can see it. And they have a kind of cool, August is going to be a fall themed kit. So, crafters got to craft. We got to get ahead of the seasons. So, oh my gosh, that card is so pretty. Okay, so let's talk about the last bit of fun about Paper Pumpkin, and then I will send you on your way. So, subscribe at paperpumpkin.com. I would absolutely adore it if you choose me as your demonstrator. August's kit is fall themed or autumn themed, however you like to say it. There's an optional add-on you can purchase through the regular Stampin' Up! Store starting August 1. They bill you for your kit on August 10th, but you have to sign up to be a subscriber before then. Wow, it's like a secret code to get you there. But it's okay. If you like a craft kit, you want to give it a try, I think it's a great time to do it. Okay. It's pretty easy to skip a month if you need to skip a month. It's, you can actually get two kits. Sometimes you might want two. They're great for gift giving. Okay, so that's our paper pumpkin deal. I was going to print flyers, but my printer is a little obnoxious. So here's my flyer. We have two things going on. Bonus days. If you shop in July, for every $50, you earn a $5 coupon that you can use in August. So I've already placed one order. And you know what? I got to get another order in sometime next week. So I'm earning lots of coupons. Extra. If you're interested in getting a discount and coupons, you should think about joining my team. I'm planning to do a little video later that I'll post later in the week about the benefits of Stampin' Up. You start with a 20% discount. You get a lot of free product in your very first go. There's not really a commitment. There are minimums, but if you want to just give it a try and see what happens, totally fine. You don't have to hold classes or do all this stuff unless you want to. I'm here to support you and have fun with you. So if you want to know more about joining my team, let me know. Okay, if you're shopping, audramonk.stampinup.net or message me. Have an absolutely wonderful Thursday. I will see you very, very soon. Get to crafting, whether it's quick crafting, long crafting, Christmas crafting, summer crafting. Just get out there, stay crafty, have fun, and take care. Love you lots. Bye.